Hi Om.
Hello Ayush, how was your today's bios lecture?
It was fantastic and it was one of my best lecture.
For me as well. Today sir have taught very nice topic about cell.
Yes, really, cell is the fundamental unit of life.
Yes, really.
I think that nucleus, eukaryotic cells, lysosomes, vacuoles, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum are more important function. Carries out more important function.
No. In my opinion, mitochondria, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus and plastids carries out more important parts of cell.
What are you saying? Do you think that without nucleus, cell can function properly? Then listen the importance of nucleus.
I am nucleus, in short the brain of the cell. I play a very vital role in the cell reproduction. In this process, I have to divide one cell into two and two cell into four. I have to keep a keen eye on the cell development and maturity by directing the chemical activities. First, I have all the control on the metabolic activities which are being performed in the cell. And I was what taught by Robert Brown.
Wait. What do you think? Without the energy provided by mitochondria, you can carry out your all functions properly?
Hi guys, I'm mitochondria. I'm also known as powerhouse of the cell. Thousands of cells work on my given energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate molecules. Do you know ATP is also known as currency of the cells? I feel sad about other parts of cells except plastids that they don't have their own DNAs and ribosome. Do you know I can make my own protein? I think so that you have got much information about me. Thank you.
But in my opinion now, eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cells are, in my opinion, definitely eukaryotic cells are more important.
I am the eukaryotic cells. I am present in most of the developed organisms. I contain cytoplasm and cell organelles which are absent in the prokaryotic cell. Thus, I am the best.
Yes, but listen the side of prokaryotic cells as well.
Don't get so much excited. I am prokaryotic cell. If I would not be there, he would also not be there. Because from me, he is formed. So I am the best.
Okay. But between the cell wall and cell membrane, definitely cell wall carries out more important function.
Hello, I am cell wall. I am rigid, non-living, freely permeable and mainly composed of cellulose. I provide structural strength to cell and give definite shape to cell and protect it from mechanical injuries and pathogens.
Yes, but as cell wall is just present in plant cells and not in animal cells, so animal cells are totally dependent upon cell membrane and cell membrane is also present in plant cells. So I think the cell membrane is more beneficial.
Wait, I know you are important, but first listen my side as well. I am cell membrane made up of protons and lipids. I allow very few things pass through me and kick out unwanted things from the cell, and I also perform osmosis and give shape to the cell.
Osmosis, movement of water through higher concentration to lower concentration through semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis.
Okay, let it be.
Now it's my turn. Now let us call the rough endoplasmic reticulum to tell its benefits.
I am rough endoplasmic reticulum. I contain ribosome particles due to which my surface is rough. The ribosomes have the sites of protein synthesis. I am mainly formed by cisternae.
Wait buddy, be grounded. Still smooth endoplasmic reticulum are remaining.
I am smooth endoplasmic reticulum. I helps in manufacture of fat molecules or lipids. Some of these proteins helps in building cell membrane. This process is known as membrane biogenesis.
Yes, but between the lysosomes and Golgi apparatus, definitely the Golgi apparatus carries out more important functions.
Hey, I am Golgi apparatus. I was hiding in the cell years ago, but Camilo Golgi found me near the nucleus. Do you know? I am made up of the membrane-bounded vessels arranged approximately parallel to each other, called cisterns. I have my own DNA and ribosomes. I play a very efficient role in modification, storage, and storage of the food packages in vesicles.
No, but in my opinion, lysosomes carries out more important function.
I am lysosomes. I am also called digestive and societal bags. I destroy any foreign materials which enters in the cell. I digest dead and own out cell.
Say anything, but between the plastids and vacuoles, definitely vacuoles carries out more important function.
Hello dear friends, I am vacuole. I play very important and crucial role in cell. Dear friends, I occupy less space in animal cell, but I occupy 50 to 90% of space in plant cell. I provide turgidity and rigidity to cell. I have stored amino acid, organic acids, proteins and sugar in me. The organism like amoeba also consume food from me only. I play very important role in explaining the access of water.
रुको, सबर करो. Still plastids are remaining.
Hi guys, I am Plastid. Have you recognized me? And you know a special thing of me. I have my own DNA and ribosomes. And you know that I am having three sisters. They are chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. Leucoplast is colorless in nature. Chromoplast is having various colors. And chloroplast is a green color pigment. Leucoplast is such a pigment which contains starch, oil and protein granules in it. Thank you.
Just a second.
This kit was for educational purpose. No cell part is having more important and no cell part is having less importance. All are having its own significance as unity and strength. Hope you all have understand it and got correct information. Thank you. Thank you very much.